Look. Just like that. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry I've not been posting as I've been working on another YouTube channel called 24SG with another friend, which we cover local products such as snacks and food. Today we're going to be covering a light tripod, okay, for my Peak Design bag, or any bag that is quite small and slim. Let me show you the size of the bag that I've always been carrying around. Okay, I've been carrying around this Peak Design 5-liter sling. Okay, it's rather small, so I want to go out with something that is small and not something that is heavy. If a lot of you are be able to relate with me, please continue watching. You guys will like the tripod that I'm about to introduce. But before that, let me show you the tripod I've been using. Okay, I've been using this Siri carbon fiber tripod. It's rather big. As you can see, it's not able to fit inside my Peak Design bag, as this is much larger and much wider. So if you guys are like me, you guys want to pack light, okay, so you guys would want to pack your tripod inside here along with your drones or maybe with your phones. Today I'm going to be introducing to you a small tripod that you will love, and it's probably under 100 everywhere that you can purchase from. When you get the tripod, okay, it comes in this packaging. Basically the tripod name is Gizomos GXG-215P. It comes with a phone mount so that you can mount any phones inside. Or any portable mobile devices. I have not opened it because I seldom use my mobile phones for shoots. Here it is. Okay, look, it's so small. It's only 24 cm wide. Okay, let me open up and show you how tall it can get. Okay, just a gauge, I'm actually only 158 cm tall. I would say it goes up to maybe about 160 with the camera included on top. Now let me show you the current carbon fiber tripod that I'm using. As you guys can see, this is my usual tripod and it can only go up to so high. Of course, the threshold of this is able to take larger amounts of weight compared with this Gizomos tripod. But look, it's so high and it can come down to such a small factor. So I'm going to collect this tripod once again to show you how small it is. Okay, it comes with a very simple twisting of the knob locking system. So look, it can be able to be dismantled in such a small and fast pace. It probably take me less than 10 seconds, I would guess. Look. Just like that. Look, such a small profile. If you like my review on this Gizomos tripod, please like and subscribe down below. I'll try to push out more content on a more regular basis, so please help me along my YouTube journey. Okay, thank you, and I hope to see you in the next episode.